Ano ba yung chart of accounts? Chart of accounts, it is simply a list of all categories you'll use for income, expenses, asset, and liabilities. So, to add one, basically there are chart of accounts already in QuickBooks, but there are times that you need to add because it's limited. So, to add one, you can go to settings here and then you can click the chart of accounts here, or you can go here in transactions and you can select this one. You can click this one. So, either way, it's okay. Kung ano yung mas madali para sa inyo, yun ang gawin nyo. Malaki na kayo. So, click new account and then input the details needed. So, for example, account name, car loan. So, then you have to identify what account type is this. So, if this is loan, this is definitely a liability. So, check nyo yung liability account, bank, fixed asset, credit card. So, long-term liabilities. And then, detail type, you can select other long-term liabilities. So, yeah, there you have the car loan and then just click save.